End of an era. Veteran broadcaster Alan Magnus has died. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. A special welcome as well to those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Also this evening, leaders and Jamaicans hail Alan Magnus as stalwart and icon in Jamaican media. And later, thrown under the bus, commuters in St. Catherine called for better service from the JUTC. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.